As a chef, we're always trying to maximize on time and our talent working in the kitchen. And high quality equipment is a great tool to cut labor costs and also maximize on product. And a great example of this is my bone-in short ribs. With the Rationale iEconomy Pro, I can sear quite a few sheet trays at the same time. I can set it, forget it, and know that my cook's being able to execute without me being over their backs all night. I'm utilizing the Aeronox Multi-Fresh necks to rapidly chill my sauce so that when I get ready to vacuum seal, that the bag doesn't burst. Batching is very important in the kitchen for recipe adherence, and what I'm ensuring is that each plate goes out looking the same way, tasting the same way. Now we've just vacuum sealed and the Hinkleman on soft air. And what soft air allows me to do is vacuum seal the meat with the bone so that the bone doesn't puncture the bag. Because what would happen, it would create sauce inside of the water bath, and that would be a loss of product. Now we're going to sous vide our short ribs using the Hydro Pro Plus. One great feature is a sous vide toolbox. It allows variation of temperature, sizes, and control to have consistent product. For this application on the short ribs, we're gonna go 72 hours on a nice mid-rare to have a nice juicy finish and to have minimum shrinkage on a 2-inch bone. Aeronox allows me to chill down product very rapidly, and I don't have to wait until the next day to be able to pick up the product again to have finishing touches on the prep. The Rationale iEconomy Pro allows me to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I am steaming my parsnips, and also at the same time, I'm taking the parsnip skins and drying them out that I can use for garnish. What's great is that I'm utilizing one item 2 different ways where I'm not throwing away product. After making our parsnip puree, we're holding on a control freak at 180 degrees at medium intensity to keep the puree from splattering and to keep from burning the bottom of the pot. This equipment allows me to maximize on my labor, have better recipe adherence, and a better clean line. This is my bone-in short rib sous vide on top of a parsnip puree, fresh radish, herbs, and crispy parsnip.